final chapter is near as miracles unfold and betrayal creeps in what destiny awaits Jesus and his followers. Get ready because The Chosen Season 6 is not just the most anticipated, it's the most intense. This isn't just faith, this is a war, sacrifice, and the divine prophecy coming to life. The Chosen Season 6 is officially on the way and it's shaping up to be the most emotionally intense and spiritually powerful season yet. This is the beginning of the end, and fans should prepare themselves for a roller coaster of miracles, heartbreak, betrayal, and redemption. Season 6 will focus on the final weeks of Jesus' life with the storytelling covering his journey to Jerusalem, the resurrection of Lazarus, and the rising tension with the religious authorities. Creator Dallas Jenkins has confirmed that the emotional weight of this season is unlike anything we have seen before. And yes, the betrayal arc is coming. Filming is currently underway in Goshen, Utah, and newly expanded sets to recreate Jerusalem in stunning cinematic detail. The visuals are expected to be breathtaking, especially during the key events like Jesus' entry into the holy city and the miracle of raising Lazarus from the dead, which is rumored to be one of the most powerful scenes in the series has ever created. Major character arcs are also being pushed to the blink. Judas Iscariot will finally get the spotlight as the seeds of betrayal begin to bloom. Peter's loyalty and impulsiveness will be tested in heart-wrenching ways. Mary's devotions will also deepen, and Thomas will wrestle with grief and doubt like never before. Behind the scenes, Jenkins revealed that writing the script for season 6 brought him to tears. So if the creator is already crying, you know we are for something truly impactful. Though an official release date hasn't been announced, production schedules point towards the late 25 premiere with trailers and behind the scenes footage expected much sooner. One thing is clear, this season isn't just about the chapter, it's one that changes everything. As the cross looms closer, every scene, every miracle, and every word will carry the weight of the destiny. Brace yourselves, because by the end of The Chosen Season 6, nothing will ever be the same. The road to the cross is paved, and the heartbreak, hope, and the heavenly purpose. And The Chosen Season 6 promises to deliver it all. And if you're not ready yet, now it's the time to catch up, because this finale will shake your soul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to the Screen Explained TV, and hit the bell icon so you can never miss the moment of this epic journey.